Let's wait for some time. Good morning, everyone who joined.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bhumika. Good morning, everyone. Wish you a very happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Just waiting for a few more seconds.
भूमिका
हाँ,
कोई दूसरे लोग ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं क्या?
या डेफिनेटली.
मेरी एक फ्रेंड है
हाँ हाँ
जेन से, लेकिन
हाँ,
ओके.
आने तो.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Just waiting for one more minute and then we start. Hello, Anita. Madhuji.
Hi, Bhumika.
Hi. Yeah, who has joined? He Bora with the Bora login. Can you put your video on? Peters, put your video on. Looking very nice, all of you. I'm going to mute everybody. Warm welcome, everybody. My name is Bhumika Patel. I know most of you are the old timers, but I have seen some fresh faces too. So just a little bit of introduction. I work with a corporate and I'm founder of Guide Runners India, which is a team which works on empowering women and persons with disabilities through acts of kindness. So my heartfelt wishes to all of you on this happy and auspicious 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India striced with destiny. But I think it's time to ask ourselves the question as to why as a woman we haven't found a rightful place, and if we have found, is it enough? Are we empowered citizens? Are we securing the future of our daughters and granddaughters? And how do we keep healthy as we juggle superwoman life? Children, careers, homes, hobbies. Can we pay attention to the age-old saying, health is wealth? So women often lose their identity trying to keep up with all these roles and keeping everybody happy, you know. So we as a group of people, women and people with persons with disabilities, um all coming together every day for running, for yoga, fitness. This gives us an opportunity to nurture ourselves and to get out there and try new things outside of the regular things that we do. So every Independence Day, we celebrate with a sari run, and we are out there in a place like Cubbon Park. And this has inspired a lot of women and groups to take up running in saris and pursue fitness without being constrained by fitness garments. Just to give an instance, we ran, many of us have run as guides with Indian attire, traditional attire, with the visually impaired. So I ran with as a guide with visually impaired Miss Nagaratna ma'am, 10 kilometers and several times in Bangalore. And then in Mumbai, I ran with visually impaired called Sarita. She was wearing a Punjabi dress, chudidar, and I was wearing a sari. And so both the times we have won the first place, and it was amazing. It was a traditional attire, and we were doing a fitness activity. It was a very liberating feeling, and it helps send out a message, very inspiring message, that impairment of any form should not deter a woman from keeping fit. So hats off to all you women out here, and many men who are supporting as guides, who joined today online. And I know many of you are part of the Kindness Champions initiative that we have, doing a lot of kindness work in this COVID-19 pandemic. And thank you for being such an amazing team. So let's all now stand up for flag hoisting, and let's imagine that our seniors are doing the hoisting of the flag, calling upon Uma, Manju, Mili, Madhu, Madhumati, Lalita, Shada, all the seniors. So let's all just stand up, and Titus, over to Titus for the national song and national anthem.
Okay.
And we will be singing along.
हम सब लोग गाएंगे एक साथ.
Yeah, hi everyone. I think we all will be singing together.
Yeah,
First, we will
yes.
be doing the national song, which is Vande Mataram, and we will be doing the Sanskrit one, the small, short, but the Sanskrit one. So I will sing one line, and I would request all of you to repeat me. And when we finish that, we will do the national anthem together. Yeah. Audible to everyone?
Yes. रुको हाँ
Shall we start?
Can I unmute everybody? Yeah, unmute everybody.
I think everyone is not
Yeah.
unmuted. Kindly unmute everyone, please.
Start and they will unmute. They will not
Yeah, we're
unmute.
going to go on chorus.
Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरम्
Mataram.
सुफलां मलयज शीतलां
I will now play the national anthem track. I have some music with the track. I will sing. You also will sing with me. We will go together. Yeah.
Yeah, but your voice is not coming out properly.
Yeah, your voice is getting low.
Yeah.
My voice is lagging.
Water or something hot, something like that. Your voice is getting flat.
Okay. How do I solve this problem? Maybe the network issue. Let's try. Let's try.
Happy Independence.
Don't stop in between, please. To start the national anthem, don't stop.
भारत माता की
Bharat Mata ki jai. Bharat Mata ki
वन्दे Motaram.
Mataram. Vande.
Mataram. Vande
Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Motaram.
Salute all the freedom fighters. Please salute all the freedom fighters today. Participated in the freedom movement and all our frontline warriors also. For them, Jammu, Kashmir, Lakota, and all them who marched also recently. Please give a salute to all our defense forces.
Yeah.
Jai
So a little bit introduction about Titus, who just did the national anthem and national song. She has been singing since 8 years and stage shows for Bangalore and outside, and she loves retro, and she has done 4 Bengali albums, and she's been very inspirational. Thank you so much. Over to now introductions. So Pooja, can you take over the introductions?
Sure, Bhumika. Just give me a minute, I'll start with. So I will go with the participant list, which we were sharing in the WhatsApp group. So I will take the name according to that. If we do not have, we will go with the participants who have joined. So first is Varsha. Is Varsha there? I think she has not yet joined. Tina Kothari. Okay. Sapna Chauhan is there. Sapna, can you introduce yourself?
Sapna, unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself. Sapna.
Not Sapna Chauhan, I am Sapna Dayal. I'm audible?
She's not
Yeah.
able to. There. She's she's unmute now.
I'm audible?
Yes.
I'm founder of Jain Colors of Society and REIT Events and Exhibition, Bangalore.
Okay.
Amazing. So what do you do as a part of that?
Yeah, means helping women's, household women's and society in our Jainism. That's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And thank you for hosting this program, Bhumika Patel. Thank you so much.
So which location are you based right now?
Yeah, in Jayanagar, Bangalore, Jayanagar.
Jayanagar, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Sapna. Thanks for the nice introduction.
Thanks,
Next
Madhu.
is
Thanks, Tejas. I think so.
Titus. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Next is Madhu Talreja. So Madhuji, you're there.
Yeah.
Sapna, you can mute yourself.
Hello, everybody. Happy Independence Day to everybody. I'm part of a Cindy Fitness group, and we are very strong 73 members. Madhumati, hi. I've been trying to call you. It's nice. We started this group under the guidelines of Bhumika Patel, and we are proud to be running it. We are very happy with our fitness regime, and I am from Dollars Colony, that is near Ramaya College, Bangalore. Thank you.
Thanks, Madhuji.
A little bit about your attire that you're wearing.
What I'm wearing is, of course, related to Indian. And I'm so proud to wear this today. As a grandmother, I feel very nice and young. And I feel very proud of my Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Madhuji. Next is Roli. Is Roli there? Okay, moving to Karishma. Karishma Kalro. Okay, next is Vandana Jain. Vandana is not there. Madhumati.
Hi everyone, I am Madhumati. As Madhu Talreja said, I am part of Cindy Fitness Group. and there is, I stay in Shanti Nagar. There is one thing which Bhumika has mentioned, that we need to tell something about ourselves which all of you people don't know. So I just want to tell one thing about myself. I am a certified project management professional from US University, and I got 90% of planning and execution, and 10 other percent I got from Bhumika. Thanks, Bhumika, to you for everything.
Thank you. Very inspiring, Madhumati ji.
Thanks, Madhumati ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhumati ji.
Yeah. Pooja Vashisht. Pooja Vashisht. I think, can everyone go on mute when we call out their name? Okay. So next is Millie ji. We can't hear. We can't hear.
1 second. Happy Independence Day to all the beautiful ladies over here. Hi, Bhumika. Thank you, Bhumika, for hosting this event. Yeah, missing those Kaban Park where we used to enjoy. Yeah, I have made a 3-color rice. Representing the Indian flag. Yeah, and I'm very grateful to Bhumika. Since 5 years, I have joined with Bhumika from Pinkerton. Thank you for being there, Bhumika. Happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you once again.
What is the, how did you make the cake? What are the ingredients?
This is a carrot rice. This is the carrot rice. And this is the garlic rice. This is the palak rice. Yeah, and this is the aloo roll, which we used to fry. I made a stick like this.
Wow.
And I am also into the Sindhi fitness group, as Madhu Talreja mentioned. Yeah, and thank you so much, Bhumika.
Yeah. Since Payal is here, why don't we do Payal's introduction and Manju also?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Have we all three joined together today?
Because we stay close by.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So it was a surprise for you.
Well,
all.
I have a presentation here with salad. That's carrot, knuckle, as well as broccoli and coriander together. And in between the blue, which says blue curaco, I've kept that across here.
Wow.
And thanks a lot, Bhumika. We're really honored to be a part of Pinkerton. As well, the Sindhi fitness, as Madhuji mentioned it across.
Thank you.
Happy Independence to everyone. And I'm wearing green, which shows across the fertility growth as well as the auspicious thing.
Very
So
nice.
next-
Very well planned.
Ajay, the center में कर दे. Ajay, परोने नहीं तो ये पकड़िए. No problem.
Hi, this is Manju here. I'm Manju Jain, and we are starting a pollution curve from these 8 days. So we are not eating any green vegetables so that I couldn't cook anything as such. And then I have to tell you about something about my fasting also. We do fasting for these 8 days. We don't eat in the night after sunset, and then we drink hot water, and even a lot of other things we do in these 8 auspicious days. So this is our happy pollution days. So happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you, Bhumika.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manju ji. So
Yeah.
next is Sharda. Is Sharda there? Okay, so we will move next. Lalita. Lalita there?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Lalita.
Hi all. Happy Independence Day. So first I would like to show, because it was said that we should all wear our traditional wear. So I got an opportunity to show Madisar what we usually do for auspicious occasion. So I'll just show you. I hope if I do it like this, see. Wait.
What's that?
हाथ दिख रहा है सीधा?
Attire that. Okay. Maharashtrian style.
Can others please
Can you see me
mute?
now?
No, we can't see you, Lalita.
You can see me now? You can
Yes,
see?
we can see you now. Yes,
Yeah.
we can see you now.
So
Thank
this
you.
is actually, and you can, I'm audible, I'm able, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
Lalita Ravichandran from Bangalore, Shobha Forest View, Kanakpura. So I'm so blessed to be in this group, and I got an occasion to be with you all for this virtual Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all. So as everybody were given a choice, so I thought, let me show my Madisare. This is a auspicious attire which we wear, you know, when girls get married. So when they're going to get married, so the Mangal Sutra is tied by wearing 9 yards. So this is a 9-yard sari. So in this you get cotton, you get silk cotton. So it's an age-old practice. And after marriage, many women in villages who are really now following the traditions, they wear Madisar. So I chose to wear this green and orange. I had luckily, so I wore, this is an Independence Day. So I thought, let me show you the orange and green. White I couldn't show. So hopefully I'm British, so I could little bit compete.
No, you're not
So
Swedish, you're fair.
So
You're
this
fair,
is
Very fair.
Lalita.
Madisar.
You're looking
And
white.
thank you, Bhumika, for a good session today, nicely thought over. So we all could come and wish each other. Thank you,
Thank you.
Bhumika, and happy Independence Day to all.
Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Lalita. That was so nice. So next we have Rupa.
Hi everyone, Rupa this side. Actually, I had no sari related to the color, so I'm wearing a narangi kurta, and also I am wearing bangles, tricolor bangles. I'm from Surat, and I'm in this group since so long. I'm really happy to be the part of this group. And today, what I did, I made my daughter a freedom fighter, Bhagat Singh. She is here, if you can see. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, very much.
Yes,
Okay.
Rupa, you are audible. We can see. Hello.
Here's my little Bhagat Singh, and this painting we made.
Wow, nice.
Vande Mataram. Thanks, Rupa. Thanks so
Thank
much.
you.
Next we have Jay Lakshmi. Is Jay Lakshmi there? Okay. Next is Shobha. Do we have Shobha? Okay. Tanushri. Not there. Then Anusha. Anusha Vardarajan.
Yes, I'm here. Hello, everyone. Hi, this is Anusha from Bangalore. I'm new to this group. Almost from during this lockdown only, I have joined to this group. So I have worn this green and orange combination. So I'll be showing a rangoli which I have made using these tricolors. I'll just show this. Hope you can view this.
Yes,
wow, that's
we can.
lovely.
Wow, wow. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Rita. That's so amazing. You made it everything with hand?
Hi, Anusha, you there? We can't hear you.
Yeah, she has muted herself.
Okay.
Sorry, it was a screen touch, so it has made. So I
Yeah,
have
okay.
made that Rangoli for this Independence Day. So regarding this group, I'm totally new and I was trying my, the one thing which I really liked here is like, at least I can practice something or the other every day. Like it can be a 1 kilometer of walking or a 20 minutes of yoga session. It's just making me realize that something consistent I can do, because every day everybody will be keep on updating, like we did try that, we tried these kind of poses and all. So it's just making me to keep some or the other activity every day. So that's the best part which I had in this group, because I'm very much about procrastinating. So I'll be keep on procrastinating. So here this group will just totally help me, and moreover it's all about girls, right? We know like girls, it's not always about girls chit chats or gossips. When we are really empowered with each other, we can do anything with the world. So that was the one thing which I really loved about this group, and wishing you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Anusha.
Thanks so much, Anusha. Do we have Kalyani? Okay, then we have Sapna Patil.
Sapna is in
Hi,
Himachal
Sapna.
Pradesh right now.
Yeah, but she's there. She joined.
Oh yeah? Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, hi everyone. Right now
Hi,
I
Sapna.
am in Himachal these days. I live in Bangalore near to Bhumika's home only. But right now I am at my in-laws place. So right now I'm wearing a Punjabi suit. I have only this suit right now with me as a green color. And I'm a part of Bhumika's team since long. And I have done so many runs with the visually impaired. I goes to the like Mitra Jyoti and some other institutes with Bhumika. And today I'm showing our traditional jewelry. This is a nut. This is a gold, the gold nut. This we get during our wedding from our maternal uncle. And we put like this. There is no piercing in my nose, so I can't put, but I will show you how it looks.
My God, it's huge.
Yeah, it's very huge. It's around 50 grams.
My, how long do you have to wear that?
Around like 7-8 hours.
Oh.
During whole wedding and during all auspicious occasions, we put this. And other thing, this is Mang Tika, and this also we get from in our wedding from our in-law side. So we put this like this, and
Wow.
this is this is Mangal Sutra. I got this is also I got from during my wedding, and this is these all jewelry, this and this. These are signs of we are being married, and we are still in. See how this looks, everything.
Very
This is
beautiful, very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Thank you,
Yeah.
Sapna.
Yeah, and happy Independence Day to all, and thank you, Bhumika, for such a wonderful virtual meeting.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Sapna. Next, we have Prapula. Prapula, you join. Nirupama. Nirupama is not there. Then Sonali Mahale.
Hello everyone. Can you all hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Hi, good morning and happy Independence Day to everyone. So I'm relatively new to the group, but I'm so happy to be a part of it, to see new people and meet different diverse people from all over the country. I'm based in Bombay. I'm a practicing medical consultant as well as a mental health advocate. I do counseling for, especially during the lockdown, I've been doing online counseling, running a helpline for people distressed with COVID. And I'm very thankful to be a part of this group because it gives me, you know, that positivity comes in.
I think network issue.
Did we lose her?
Yes, I think so.
Hi. Am I back?
Yes, you're back.
Sorry, I lost connectivity. Anyway, I was just saying that it's really nice to be a part of this group, and thank you, Bhumika ma'am, for this opportunity. And thank you for getting us all dressed up on a Sunday morning, which we haven't been used to doing for the last couple of months, being at home. So I was happy to be dressed up in a sari and all colorful, like all the lovely, beautiful, colorful ladies in this group. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Sirisha. Sirisha Tata. Okay. Then we have Hema.
Sirisha, I'm here.
Yeah. Hi, Sirisha.
I'm sorry, I had to rush from the kitchen. I'm sorry. Hi, everyone. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. This is a map that my kids play with to identify cities and capitals. Yeah, so I'm Sirisha Tata. All my friends know me as Madhu. This is all the time I could get. I'm very sorry for my attire, but this is all the time I could get with my 4-year-old twins. I'm managing them alone at home because my husband is outside the country. So I'm basically an engineer. After that, I have done my MBA, and I'm a professional badminton player and a kuchipudi dancer. Right now, okay, you're also a badminton player. Okay, so right now I'm learning Kathak. So I'm an avid fitness freak, but thanks to Bhumika, she has got me on track. Otherwise, I was on to postponing the things every now and then. So I started yoga again. Today in the morning also, I did a small session with my CrossFit team. So thanks, Bhumika, for that. And lovely to have you all. All you girls are looking very gorgeous, I must say. Beautiful.
Yeah.
And Bhumika, you inspired me to wear the saree. Otherwise, I was looking for a kurti.
Okay.
And when I have seen your beautiful pics, I said like, no, I have to do it now.
Wonderful.
So I
Good.
picked a combination of orange and green.
Lovely,
Now,
lovely.
Yeah, thanks. Coming to the traditional jewelry, this is something we get from my in-laws and mother. One is made by the mother-in-law. The other one is done by mom. This is our Andhra and Telangana Mangal Sutra. This is what we call. So for 16 days, we wear a yellow thread, and on the 16th day, we have celebrations. After which we change it to whichever metal you feel like, and we put these two on that. So that's my traditional jewelry, my Mangal Sutra. Thanks to my husband.
So Madhu is from Pune, right?
Yeah. I'm from Pune. I stay in Pune from the last 3.5 years.
Wonderful. So we got connected to the donation drive. I remember.
Yeah, Bhumika. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you so much for
Yes,
that.
Madhu. Yes, Madhu. Which place from Pune?
I'm from Kharadi.
Kharadi. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Kothur.
Oh, okay. Super.
Okay, you guys should connect.
We should catch up.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Madhu.
Okay. Thanks, Bhumika, for
Thank
this.
you so much.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Bye.
So Sirisha is not there, right? This was Madhu Tata.
Yeah, that's Sirisha. I mean, everybody knows me as Madhu, but if you ask about a certificate, it's Sirisha. Hardly people know me as Sirisha. So.
Okay. Thanks for clarification. Do we have Hema? Hema is there? Okay, Hema is not there. Chaitanya? Chaitanya also is not there.
Vandana has joined. You had called out her name. Maybe she can introduce
Yeah,
herself.
Vandana.
Hello, hi everybody. This is Vandana here. Happy
Hi.
Independence Day to everybody. Everybody's looking so beautiful. It's coming all red and orange and everything so colorful it is looking. Thanks Bhumika for this. I just jumped in fast because I was busy and I totally forgot about it. Then I saw all the pics in the group and it was very beautiful. Thank you so much for making this happen.
Thank you.
Thanks. So I think I will go next and then we will start calling others.
Okay.
Or you want to do first, Bhumika? You do it, then I will do it.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Swati here.
Hi, Swati. Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Swati here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Swati here from Bangalore.
Yeah, Swati, go ahead.
Yeah. Happy Independence Day, all of you.
Happy Independence Day.
I want to introduce.
Lovely jewelry you are wearing.
Yeah, I want to introduce Maharashtrian this nose ring. This is a pearl nose ring. It's called the Nat Marathi nose ring. Nat. We are used to wear in puja and all festivals. This it's look like this. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati.
Thank you. Lovely, lovely.
Yes, shall I introduce myself? I have also joined today, Bhumika. Poonam.
Hi, Poonam.
Yeah, hi,
Yes.
Poonam. Go ahead.
Please go
Yes.
ahead.
Yes. I am Poonam Mishra, and earlier I was very active these days because I'm working with the school. So full day going in preparing PPTs and taking online classes. So very busy. And 2 years back, I shifted to Bangalore. Earlier, I was in Mumbai for 10 years. So my husband, he is in a transferable job. So we keep moving. So 2 years back only, I was knowing her Bhumika when I was there in Mumbai. So she used to come there. So I met her there also. So when I shifted to Bangalore, then I came in her contact. I mean, very closely. So at present, I'm residing in Banarghatta, and basically I'm from Bihar, and one place named Madhuvani. It is very famous for Madhuvani painting, so I belong to that place only. And I have not prepared anything specific. I'm not wearing anything specific, but I just want to show you my few paintings, Madhuvani paintings. So this is Independence Day tricolor painting which I have made. Okay, this is Madhuvani painting only, and this one also.
Very nice.
Yes.
Lockdown work or
Yes,
the lockdown
this is
artistry.
folk art, and one more. This is called Tree of Life.
Oh my.
That's awesome.
So it covers everything: sun, animals, human, everything.
Wow, so nice.
So this is Madhuvani paintings. Few of my paintings.
Awesome, Poonam. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it from my side. Few are
Thank
there
you.
on my wall.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, thank you, Poonam.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now we are going to take a surprise break for a performance by Urja. Urja, you are there?
Hi everyone.
Hi. So I'm going to introduce Urja to you. She is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. She finished her junior and senior with 95% and trained Hindustani classical singer with double graduation in Hindustani classical Sangeet and Hindustani classical Bhav Geet, topper and gold medalist from Chandigarh University. She is national karate champion, black belt 2, being the first rank holder karate girl player under 13. Guinness World Record holder in playing various music instruments without a formal training. Wow, a swimmer, scuba diving at the age of only 10 years old, and mountaineering, done many summits, highest peak 4,850 meters. Pankaj Panchkula Peak, participating in marathons with her mother Swati Saxena, who is part of her training. She's always there, available with her. Never missed a training session, I guess. Right, Uja? And she can sing in 21 languages and many foreign languages too. So here, over to Uja. Very happy to have you.
Awesome.
And they were driving to some other location. She has taken a break in between and, joined us. So thank you so much.
Okay, so hi everyone. I've just come in 12th standard this year. I'm just an 18-year-old normal kid, and I think students have also been affected by this lockdown a lot. So whenever I feel stressed, I always try to take it out using my hobbies. So I practice my singing, or I just dance, or I just go and run outside. So today I'll sing a song Dil Diya Hai Jaan Bhi Denge for today's Independence Day event. मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू तेरा सब कुछ मैं तेरा सब कुछ तू
Thanks, Surja.
Thanks, Uja. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Auntie, and happy Independence Day to everybody again.
Thank you.
Happy Independence Day.
Okay, over to Pooja.
Yeah, so we will go with people who have joined, and we are yet to hear their introduction. Anita Edje. Anita.
Hi, Anita.
I think-
Unmute yourself.
Where am I? Hello. Hello. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Hi, yes.
Hi. Happy Independence Day to all. I am Anita from Kabban Group in Bangalore. Like actually, I want to thank Bhumika because I had never ran in my life before, but after we joined Kabban, actually I am a certified counselor from Banjara Academy. We used to give more importance to mental health. But then we got to know like if you have a regular regime of physical routine, your mental health will become automatically all right. So I started running marathons with them, became a guide runner, and thankfully I was able to do 10K this time in Mumbai. And being a guide runner, it actually helps us to understand like how blessed we are in so many ways in life, and missing all the fitness regime and all the excellent talks by the doctors actually helped me a lot in regaining back our physical fitness in many ways. Thank you, Bhumika, for the session, and miss you all, my lovely Kabban girls.
Lovely. Thank you, Anita. So there are
Thanks,
two sisters,
Anita.
Anita and Savita, like twins. Like you can't make out who is Anita, who is Savita.
Okay. So even we have Savita as well. Savita, can you go next?
Okay. Hello, everyone. Just now, whoever spoke, Anita was my sister, and I am Savita. And yes, I am a part of Kabban Group. Lovely, lovely. I missed out so much of the interactions in the past few months because of my commitments. But thank you, Bhumika, and thank you, Payal, for dragging me in. You girls didn't let go of me. Thank you so much.
We didn't give up, but we know that you're writing a book. So tell us about that book.
Yeah, that book is all about chaos to consciousness. Now, because of this COVID, we are all experiencing chaos in our own lives. Though we all have dressed up today very nicely and very beautifully, still there is, because of this pandemic, it is affecting us. How to stay grounded in this chaos, how to bring in your consciousness and let this outside disturbances should not affect your inner being. And lovely to see all your jewels. But what I would say is the most best jewel that you can have is your smile. So don't lose it at any cost. And how to keep this smile on in spite, see, just like the climate changes, we have rain, we have sunshine, we have autumn, spring, everything. But come what may, the sun keeps shining. In the same way, all the women, you are all the guiding lights
Yeah,
of
so
your families.
thank you, Savita. We'll come back to you. We will have a special meditation with Savita coming back to her after some time.
Okay, Bhumika, thank you.
Thank you. Over to Pooja. And somebody from Galaxy Tab A says that they want to go next. Who is that? I don't know. The name.
Uma ma'am.
Yes. Unmute yourself, Uma. We can't hear you. Not able to hear you. In the lockdowns, you learned how to use Zoom app.
She muted herself, na?
She's muted. You are mute. We can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I
Yes.
was telling you, Happy Independence Day, first of all, to all of you. Bhumika has made me wear this attire, a green chudidar, white top, and an orange dupatta. And I've got my pin here. If you can see, I don't have a virtual flag. I'm not allowed to go out to buy anything. So I have a pin here given by my defense. I have a Rakhi Bhai in defense is the brigade commandant at Kargil, okay, at Manesar. So when we visited him, he had given me this pin. So I'm proudly wearing this today. And as Bhumika knows, we make this handmade jewelry, bead jewelry. You can see the white and green and all that. Yeah, we make children who are autistic and mentally retarded. We teach them how to make the bead jewelry. And today for our group, I thought I'll make some salad because I'm very fond of eating salads. So I made this salad. Can you see? I don't know whether you can see.
Can't see.
You can't see?
The screen is stuck.
The screen is stuck. Oh.
Pooja, go ahead, give your introduction. We want to know about that tattoo that you have on your hand.
Okay. So this is something, sun and an om. I have done it almost 5 years back. Sun is something I feel that I always brighten up, wherever I am. And om is something for our, God, the home god Shiva. So that is the thing. Okay, coming to me, I'm a Maharashtrian. So this is the nath which Swati was telling. Even I'm wearing the same. So there is a small theory behind it. So when a girl get married in a Maharashtrian family, they say ki everything can be given, but the daughter's nose we cannot give because that is something a pride for a father. And that's the reason this nath is the special gift from the father, which, we get it at the time of marriage. So I'm basically a Maharashtrian, born and brought up in Chhattisgarh, married to a Kannadiga, so in Bangalore, and lived in, different parts of India. And being today Independence Day, the special thing I wanted to do, being a runner group's team member, I did a 10K with my daughter. I'm a mother of 18-year-old daughter. So we both did a 10K today. And happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you.
Has Umapai joined? Okay, Pooja, we go to the next person.
Yeah, next is Rooplekha Sharma.
Hello, everybody. Happy Independence Day to all. Basically, I am from Assam. And मेरे ससुराल जो है ना कर्नाटक में है. तो ये कर्नाटकी मंगलसूत्र है. एक मेरी मम्मी की तरफ से रहते हैं और उनके तरफ से रहते हैं. तो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. एक्चुअली आई एम ए सिंगर. मैं लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी से निपुण की हूँ. विशारद आफ्टर विशारद निपुण की हूँ. और पुणे एसएनडीटी यूनिवर्सिटी से एमए की हूँ, मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स इन म्यूजिक, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. और परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट हूँ. आसाम में रेडियो आर्टिस्ट थी. और
so Sunday you are performing for us.
Yes, yeah. और एक्चुअली मेरे सामने जो भी मतलब जो भी आते हैं ना उसको मैं अपना लेती हूँ एक्चुअली. और अभी 3 साल से मैं जिम करती हूँ. 2013 से जिम किया था, तो उसमें भी मैं फिटनेस 3 टाइम्स फिटनेस विनर हूँ. फिटनेस में फिटनेस फर्स्ट में
गाइड रनिंग में भी बहुत काम किया है आपने.
और बाद में रनिंग शुरू किया, वॉकिंग में रनिंग शुरू किया तो भूमिका से, और भूमिका ने मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया ये ब्लाइंड किड्स को हेल्प करने के लिए. और जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मुझे हेल्प करना बहुत पसंद है. और कैसे भी करके मैं जितना हो सके मैं हेल्प करती हूँ, करना चाहती हूँ आगे भी. और अभी पुणे जो ब्लाइंड स्कूल है उसमें मैं जाती रहती हूँ. वहाँ पे उन लोगों के साथ में रहती हूँ कभी कभी. तो अभी लॉकडाउन के वजह से अभी नहीं है. और
Thank you, Rooplekha. Abhi we'll have to move to the next person now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
एक मिनट, just a minute. I am from Assam. So this is fishing instrument from Assam.
Wow, so cute.
Yeah, this is fishing instrument for Assam. And this is ये जो फार्म करते हैं फार्मर लोग हैं वो सर पे लेते हैं बारिश के लिए, तो ये है, ये जापी बोलते हैं इसको, जापी है. Okay. Next is ये ornaments. This is jonbiri, called jonbiri. Some Assamese ornaments, traditional. और ये कान के लिए है, ये कान का है ऐसा. और ये आसामीज मेखला चादर है. आसामीज मेखला चादर.
अभी मेखला पहना है आपने?
अभी नहीं पहनी, अभी तो साड़ी पहनी हूँ मैं. दिस इज मेखला चादर.
That's nice.
So nice. Thank you, Rupleka.
And she is my daughter.
Hi. हम मिले नहीं थे शायद, पुणे आए तब.
नहीं मिले.
हाँ. Hi.
और मैं रन कर चुकी हूँ, 42 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट की हूँ रनिंग में. 3 times की हूँ 42 किलोमीटर.
ओके, संडे मिलते हैं रुपलेखा से फिर से.
Yes. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
And happy Independence Day. जय भारत माता की जय.
चलो, who's next?
Sandhya Raman.
Hi everyone, happy Independence Day. So happy to be part of this group. I look forward to the evening yoga session. And during school and college, I was with NCC and I used to really enjoy doing parades, but I missed all those fun. And now I'm happy to be part of this celebration. And I'm a homemaker and I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thanks, Bhumika.
Thanks, Sandhya.
Thank you.
Next,
So at
we
this point,
Anugha.
sorry.
We have Anugha next.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Anugha.
आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
अनघा, ओके.
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
आ रहा है. बताइए.
हाँ, मैं लास्ट 6 ईयर से पिंकाथॉन में रनर कर रही हूँ. पहले मैंने 3 किलोमीटर किया, लास्ट ईयर मैंने 5 किलोमीटर किया. अभी कभी लॉकडाउन ओपन होने के बाद मैं ट्राई करूंगी 10 किलोमीटर के लिए. और मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स करती हूँ भूमिका मैडम के वजह से मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेनिंग मिल रहा है. मैं वीक में 3 बार वर्षा जी से योगा सेशन करती हूँ. मुझे उन्होंने बहुत सारे एक्टिविटी जो एक्सरसाइज है बहुत सारे सिखाए. और ये लॉकडाउन में हम लोग के लिए एक गोल्डन आई शेफ कुकिंग कॉन्टेस्ट 2020 विजुअली इम्पेयर के लिए था. उसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. उसमें मैंने 5 डिश बनाई है. उन्होंने थीम दिया था कि लेफ्ट ओवर फूड से आप कुछ भी बनाओ, और दूसरा था कि कम से कम सामग्री में आप क्या जो बना सकते हो. तो उसमें से जो मेरी कम से कम सामग्री में जो मैंने डिश बनाई है उसका नाम है क्रिस्पी कोथिंबीर वड़ी. मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. मैंने एक जुड़ी कोथिंबीर, कोरिएंडर लीव्स बोलते हैं उसको, मैंने ली. उसको अच्छे से साफ करके धो के ड्राई कर ली. और उसमें 1 कप जो चने का आटा रहता है वो मैंने डाला. और कोथिंबीर हम लोग को डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा, आँख का आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा कोथिंबीर और कैरेट वगैरह खाओ. इसके लिए मैंने उसमें ज्यादा कोथिंबीर की मैंने डिश बनाई है. उसमें प्रोटीन, विटामिन, अभी लॉकडाउन में इसकी अपने को जरूरत है. तो मैंने वो सब उसके सोच के मैंने ये डिश बनाई है. और उसमें ना मैंने क्या ऐड किया है, चकोर बोलते हैं महाराष्ट्र में उसको, कोंडा बोलते हैं. जो हम लोग गेहूं का आटा छीन के लेते हैं जो ऊपर रहते हैं ना, तो उसको व्हीट ब्रान जो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, वो मैंने मिक्स किया है. और हल्दी पाउडर है, रेड चिली पाउडर है और धनिया पाउडर, ये 2 स्पून मैंने मिक्स किया है. और उसका मैंने अच्छे से डो बना के 3 रोल बड़े बनाए हैं उसके. और मैंने एक बड़ी कढ़ाई ली, उसमें 1 लीटर पानी डाल के एक स्टैंड डाला. और अपनी जो चालनी रहती है स्टील की उसको ऑयल लगा के मैंने उसको अच्छे से 15 मिनट स्टीम करके बॉईल करके लिया। जब वो पूरा बॉईल होने के बाद में ठंडा होने के बाद मैंने उसके पीस काटे और पीस काटने के बाद तेल का कम से कम इस्तेमाल करने के लिए मैंने उसको ये फोड़न दिया है, तड़का दिया है, उसमें राई जीरा और जो सफेद तिल रहता है ना उसका तड़का दिया है। ऐसे मैंने वो कंपटीशन में एक डिश बनाई है। टोटल मैंने 5 डिश बनाई है और मैं स्पेशल थैंक्स बोलती हूँ भूमिका मैम को कि उनके वजह से मैं ये ग्रुप में ऐड हो गई और मैं महाराष्ट्र में इसके लिए मैंने आज नथ पहनी है। कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं आपको?
Beautiful, बहुत सही.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for sharing the recipe.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anaga. Fatima
you.
joined? Has Fatima joined?
Fatima, you there? I couldn't see her.
Now
don't
I
know.
think, am I audible now? I had come back, I think it had gone dead.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
You can see me. Hi, Pooja. Bhumika ma'am.
Hi.
Hi. अच्छा मैं ऑडियो मेरा चालू है?
हाँ.
We can't see you.
Okay. So आप सबको इंडिपेंडेंस वेरी सब लोग को, और मैंने आज ट्रेडिशनल सब लोग दिखा रहे हैं।
वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है आपका?
नहीं दिख रहा है?
नहीं दिख रहा है.
एक मिनट था। ओके 1 मिनट। मैंने मेरा ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस मम्मी साइड का पहना है।
नहीं दिख रहा है अभी. Sorry, Uma, just hold on 2 minutes.
नहीं दिख रहा है फातिमा.
So Anagha was she's partial visually impaired, and Fatima too. And it's very inspiring. They joined on very short notice. And that too after
Fatima is
attending a morning session.
Fatima is a complete blind. Anagha is partial.
हाँ अनघा, अरे फातिमा आपका आवाज आ रहा है, ऑडियो नहीं, वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है.
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है. मेरा वीडियो का मुझे बटन नहीं मिल रहा है, प्रॉब्लम वो हो रही है.
हाँ ऐसे ही फातिमा अभी अगर ड्रेस नहीं दिखाएगा तो कैसे बताओगे ना, दैट इज द थिंग. सो कैन वी डू समबडी
मेरा
एल्सेस?
वीडियो ऑन नहीं हो रहा है मैम.
ओ घर पे कोई है आपका हस्बैंड टू चेक इट?
अरे वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
ओके ठीक है, तो हम थोड़ी देर में, आप ट्राई करो, हम आपको फिर से
थोड़ी देर बाद रुक जाओ, मैं मेरा सेट करती हूँ, अगर हो सकता है तो मैं फिर से ज्वाइन होती हूँ.
ओके फाइन. उमा मैम गो अहेड.
Uma is also connecting back.
Okay.
Yeah,
so we
Uma,
will
you joined?
Bad network connectivity, Bhumika. Morning, it was so nice when we were talking to Chas, and now I don't know what has happened, as usually.
Yeah, just go ahead before it goes off now.
Anyway, yeah, I made a salad today since I'm a very great salad fan. So the tricolor there, I don't know whether you can see it. I put it in the
Nice.
plate. Can you see?
Oh, that's a salad? Okay.
Yeah. The green pudina, center white is my favorite cucumber, and there's a star in between from a star fruit and carrot. And we are doing a project today, Bhumika, with the priests around Koramangala priests. So we have got them pure hands, hand sanitizer, and Himalaya toothpaste, and Himalaya almond and rose soap, and the shampoo. And we are giving them all balloon packets so that they test their lung power. Yeah, because they are always priests, in the temple. They can't afford all these things. And we are also giving them some lemon for immunity, for them to take lime juice every day. So we're giving them that. And we have procured some oximeter. Oximeter, about a dozen, I bought it. So to be distributed to all the priests and their families. because now there is not much of income for them, and whoever is hosting them, they also don't have much money now to contribute to them. So we are making a project today. Whoever wants to join me, you're most welcome. Bhumika, you are the closest. So if you want to go to our Ganpati temple, Adityanepal, please come. And I'm wearing, as usual, of course, green, white, and orange, and a flag, a small one, which was given to me by my Rakhi Bhai, with the brigade commandant at Kargil. So when I visited him, he has given this small badge. And bead jewelry, as you know, we make it. So I'm wearing one of the white and green combination, a choker necklace. So wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Be at peace, be happy, and thank you, Bhumika. Thank you, all the girls, especially Urji. I wish I could come and give you a big hug. You had achieved
Thank
so
you.
much. I'm very happy for you. God bless you, Vita. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We
So,
have Shri Lakshmi.
Pooja,
Yeah.
let's take a 2-minute, 5-minute break.
Okay.
5-minute break for yoga, since we said sari yoga and traditional yoga. So I will be doing a little bit of yoga, and then followed by Savita, who will do the meditation. She will do a special meditation, humming with humming. So
Okay.
let's just come together for just sitting position. We are going to do some yoga. To mute everyone. So with the spine straight, wherever you are sitting, on the stool or on the floor, anything is fine. Bringing the palms together, keeping the eyes closed. Thinking about the sankalp. What you wish to achieve with every fitness activity, yoga that you take up. Thinking about that, visualizing it. Inhaling, stretching up. Exhaling, release. Inhale up and release. Hold, lock your palms behind you, stretch and look up. Exhale, release. Lock again. Open your heart to the ceiling. And release. And twist to the right. Fix your drishti. Other side. Now rotating your head clockwise, keeping the eyes closed, inhaling, exhaling, reversing. Up and down. Exhale to the right. Inhale, exhale, left. Continue. Place your palms onto your knees. Now gently lifting your shoulders, rotating. It's very good for people sitting in the office or at the desk all the time doing work. Reversing. Taking your palms out. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. Clench your fist and circle. And reverse. Other side. And reverse. Palms out. Left to the left, right to the right, and circle. And reverse. Holding your palm out and place your other hand cross. Hold up. Placing the palm down, fingers down. Hold. Take the other hand, hold. Down. Stretch. Side. And the other side. Once more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now lean forward, looking at the floor. And go down, touch your feet. And up. And up. And once more, looking down at the floor. And go down, touch your feet. And release. Coming up on standing position. Palms together. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, namaste. Stretch up. Exhale. Palms together. Inhale, up. And go down, exhale. Coming back onto the mat, onto your seat. And palms together. Going to do Omkara for 3 counts. Eyes are closed. I'm going to unmute all, so let's do Om together. Inhale. Om. Okay, so moving on next to the back to over to Pooja.
Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi, you there? Padmaja.
Hi, hi Pooja.
Hi Padmaja.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This is Padmaja. I am from Andhra Pradesh, but right now I'm staying in Bangalore. Coming to me, I'm a BCom, B.Ed, MBA graduate. As well, I'm a certified business studies teacher from Cambridge University. But being mother of two, I have taken a break in my career and hoping to restart at the earliest. And coming to today's special, I've worn blue in white background, which depicts Ashoka Chakra. I would like to say a few things about Ashoka Chakra. It is a symbol of Dharma Chakra, which tells dynamism is in peaceful change. So a peaceful change is necessary at all times. As well, it also says that life is movement, whereas death is in stagnation. So as it has stated that we should keep moving, do not be stagnant in one place. That is what I wanted to say about Ashoka Chakra. As well, there are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra, which has 24 meanings about it. I think it would take a long time if I tell about each and everything, but each one of the spoke has its own meaning in it. Thank you, one and all. And thank you so much, Bhumika, for making me part of this group and being associated with all of you wonderful women and talented women over here. Thank you so much.
At this point, I would like to congratulate the winners. We have August month winners for the online training sessions. Sandhya Raman from Mumbai, Rupa Singh from Surat, Tanushri Dawn from Kolkata, Padmaja from Bangalore, Payal Rajpal, Bangalore, Pooja Rao, Bangalore, Sonali Mahale, Mumbai. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhumika.
Thank you.
Well, it's my turn.
So I saw Fatima join back. Fatima, can we see you?
Thanks.
Fatima, I don't know. Okay, we have Hiranya Ranjan Bora. You there, Hiranya Ranjan? Okay. Next we have Sonali. There is two Sonali. Sonali Mahale is done. There is another Sonali. Sonali, you there?
पूजा मैम फातिमा ऑनलाइन है
हाँ वो ऑनलाइन है बट कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही।
उसका वीडियो आएगा अभी आप बुला
अच्छा फातिमा यू देयर
फातिमा म्यूट मत ओपन करो
Whenever a video comes on, we will give it to her. So let's have Jailakshmi, who is a new mom. Jailakshmi, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, everybody. Hi, I am Jailakshmi. I am a nutritionist by profession. And now I'm a mother to two little girls. And that's the reason I've taken a break from my profession. I think as a new mother, what I feel basically is, I think women, once they become mother, they put their health on the back seat. They consider themselves, you know, a baby is everything, father-in-law, mother-in-law, the entire family is important. But I basically feel that what is more important than everything is health. So please don't put yourself on the back seat. And I have done this here today. I just want to show you all. My message to everybody is eat local. I think you all can see what I've done.
Beautiful. Yeah.
My message as a nutritionist is eat local produce and eat seasonal. Avoid food wastage as much as you can. And please do not use any plastic containers. Here you can see I've used all sustainable, in the sense eco-friendly ones. Please do not use plastic. This is the smoothie which I've done out of papaya, mango, and oats and palak. And this is a multi-grain dosa base which I've made out of millet and barley. And this is a tricolor uttapam here. And this is a salad, again, which I've made up of carrot. And this is bamboo shoot and radish. And this is sprouts. And I am presenting it again in a eco-friendly one, which is the bamboo shoot. So my message here is, let's pay attention, be mindful while we use water, food, plastic, electricity, and fuel. And that's all. And my sincere thanks to Poonam and Bhumika, because as a mother, first time I was a little, a kind of very depressed, and I was a little into postpartum blues. That is when Pinkathon really came into my life. And that is when I started running. And as of now, I have completed 5 10 kilometers and 10 kilometers. And I wish to do half marathon very soon with my kids. So thank you once again. And thank you, Bhumika.
Thank you, Jayalakshmi.
Thanks, Jayalakshmi. Dr. Mona Sudhir.
Pooja, can you hear me and see me now?
Yes, Fatima, now we can see you, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. Wish you all very Independence Day. And today I'll show you my mother side's traditional dress. This is Vida, which we wear. It's a covered line. And it's a
Just make your phone little down. We can only see your face.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see me?
No, it is stuck. Your video is stuck.
Fatima, we can see your head now. Yeah.
Okay.
Super. Okay, go ahead.
Can you
Go
see me
ahead.
now? So this is what I'm wearing. Which to Bhutan is कहते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग फ्रीडम हो गए. So
फातिमा, आप थोड़ा पीछे जाइए.
That's fine. We'll get a picture from her later on. Don't worry. Just let her talk.
Yeah.
और after all, I prepare you.
Yes, we can see now.
How many to go now?
We still have 5-6 people. We will go with Dr. Mona if she is there. Okay, not there. Nandini, you can go ahead. Nandini.
Nandini is
Hello?
looking a nice. Yeah, Nandini, unmute yourself. Hi, go ahead. Unmute yourself, please. We can't hear you. She's got a tattoo also.
Hi.
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 Hi, Bhumika.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
This is like had a white color, so I applied the face cream.
Oh, good. Lovely combination.
All good color. So very nice. Myself is Nandini Prabhakar. I'm an yoga therapist. I've done my MSc MPhil in yoga. I'm doing PhD. And I've been trained from Banjara. I do counseling, child therapies. And I was working for a Sindhi high school and Acharya College. Now I'm just taken a break for a year. So I'm at home. I love pets and I'm into trekking, adventure sports. I do a lot of trekking and I have traveled almost all India. So Kanyakumari to Kashmir. We did a lot of trekking and even my daughter is doing, my husband is doing. And we have a group called Footprint, WhatsApp group. So I know Bhumika through that. So I introduced in my group also. I think from my group, I think 5 people are joined, Dr. Shashikala and Savitri, Asha, and there's 2 more ladies, Kavita and Hamsa. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And I'm very proud. Every year we used to celebrate doing a lot of rallies, going out, Kaban Park and all. So
Yeah, nice to know.
this year I was just worried what to do. So, but I'm very happy to getting this opportunity. First thing I want to tell you, my usual breakfast I'll show you. This.
Wow, what's that?
This is papaya, green tea, and this is dry fruit milkshake, and this is curry leaf juice.
Curry leaf. Oh, okay.
Curry leaves. So this is my regular breakfast. Today is a Shravana last Saturday. So we're doing puja, so I'm fasting. So I just kept it for God. After that, I'm just showing you people so you can have it. And first thing,
Thank you. That was yesterday you were showing a very nice flower beads thing together.
yeah. This is what I made from tulsi. This is from tulsi leaves, petals. So
Okay.
every tulsi petal we are taking and keeping one bud inside and tying like this. Because Krishna Janmashtami was there and this Shravana is going on. This is very precious for Hanuman and Vishnu. So this is a different type of tying. So usually they do like this, and this is a 3 thread we take and we do it. And usually like you can do like this also. You can do it in both the way also. This is the one thing I want to show you. And this is my kada you'll be observing. This is my family kada. This is I got it from my in-laws place. I think it's almost like 100 years old. My mother-in-law has got it from her mother-in-law. Her mother-in-law got it from her mother-in-law. And this is a gold one. So I got it. So I'm very proud. And this is my mom's side. This is usually made also. It is from silver only, golden days. So this is I got it polished, so it looks new. So otherwise it's very old. Even my grandmother has given to me because I believe a lot of traditional things and I follow traditional things. And she said you will keep it safely, so she gave me. So for this festival, I got it. I made polish and I'm keeping this. And this is one my family thing, and this is also my family thing. And this is my tricolor. Can you see? I'll just show you. This is I dropped my saree. This is still Indian culture.
Lovely, lovely, yeah.
Green, so I thought I took my turban like I designed something new.
Nice.
On my chain, you can say it. Tricolor. Oh, it's just come down. Like this.
Are those tulsi beads or something?
Yeah, it's a pearl, it's coral, and it's jade. And I love nose rings, so I have a big nose ring. It's again a tricolor.
So we should take some jewelry tips from you now.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for joining us. Pooja, I think we should go to the next.
Yeah. Shashikala Gowda.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Shashikala.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm very new to this. Okay. So happy Independence Day to all. So I'm Dr. Shashikala. I'm a professor in obstetric and gynec in KIMS Hospital. Have come from Footprint. The initiative is Nandini. I am grateful to Nandini. She has made me too active. So in every aspect. So I not only do surgeries. So I'll take classes for the students, and along with the surgery, I'll do laparoscopic surgery also. And along with that, so side by side, I'll go for yoga. So I have done 108 Surya Namaskara in front of Vidhana Sauda. And yeah. And I wanted to travel throughout country. Have done it. So a few of traveling through Nandini. So last year, this time we are there in Mount Kailash. So I can't forget the Nandini. She has taken to Shiva. So my Shiva is my ultimate God. So I have to thankful to Shiva. So with all this connectivity, you people have become so much near to me. So I'm very positive. So seeing all you people. So thanks a lot for you. So I have to show my dress. Sorry, I'm not wearing the sari. So this is the dupatta as I'm wearing is a green.
Yeah.
So this is the top, the orange, and this is the parallels, the white. So as much as I have done it, so next time onwards, I'll come with a very good traditional, like Hindu sari. Okay, like
Yeah, okay, doctor. Thank you. This was so much overwhelming that you joined in your busy schedule. You have joined us and
Yeah.
spent time, and you worn the theme dress. It is amazing, doctor. Thank you so much for joining.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I love you all. I love you all.
Thank you.
Okay.
We have Kanti Rao. Kanti.
Kanti, unmute
Yes.
yourself.
Hello, Bhumika.
Hi.
Hi.
Pooja.
Hi.
Good morning to all, and happy 74th Independence Day to all. I'm Kanti Rao. I'm from Mumbai actually. Come here 2 years back, and I joined Pinkathon with Bhumika, and she has given me a lot of opportunities to be with the many of these runs and guide runner to be visually impaired as well as cancer survivors. So that was a great experience, and I thanks Bhumika for all those. I am also involving in all the activities, but only for the last this after the lockdown. I think I'm not able to because of my other involvements. Even if it is lockdown, we are working. Ours is service industry, so we have. Otherwise, once I'll complete all my responsibilities, I will join the Pinkathon group again. Really, I'm missing this our Kabban group because all this last 2 years we have been celebrated this very nicely with all our group members, and I miss everybody.
Yeah, she's
And
a
I wish
grandmother
everybody happy
also, right?
Independence Day.
Kanti, you're a grandmother.
Yeah.
And she can do a 21
Yeah.
kilometers. So how amazing is that?
Today I have done on behalf of this Independence Day, I have done 10 kilometers. Actually, I wanted to do 74, Bhumika.
Oh, that's
Okay.
nice.
Thank you, Kanti.
Thanks,
Thank you
Kanti.
very much. Thank you.
We have Bama now. Bama, can you unmute yourself?
Bama, you're on mute. You're on mute, Bama.
Yeah. Pooja, in
Can
the
you
last,
hear?
give me 1 minute.
Can you hear?
Yes, yes.
Hey. Can you hear?
Yes, Bama, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, Bhumika. Happy Independence Day to all the girls in the group. It's just beautiful to be watching all the girls speak up. I'm very consciously telling girls because we have always remained that. So happy Independence Day. Love the spirit. That is so inspiring. So what I have done in particular, we did have a flag hoisting in the building. Okay. And with that, we had some sweet sharing. And I was just looking forward to just sharing this platform and wishing all of you a happy Independence Day. In spite of the pandemic situation, this virtual connect becomes so much a real connect now, honestly. So all the best, Bhumika, and thank you so much. And all the best to all the girls. I look forward to meeting all you for real very soon. So until then, keep inspiring and let's all stay healthy. Thank you, and all of you have a good day.
Thank you, Bama.
Thanks, Bama. We have last Asha Rani. I think she also left, Bhumika, so we are done.
We'll move over to finishing with meditation with a special humming, calming meditation that Savita has planned for us. A little bit about Savita. She is a Bachelor of Engineering Instrumentation, and she is a certified laughter leader for from WLT USA, certified Amazon bestseller of the book Erupt with Joy, and she's a certified facilitator from Osho Institute of Meditative Therapies. So she's going to tell us about how to stay calm and not get stressed out in these stressful times. She with a little bit of meditation, and she can also take some questions if you want to go still, because we finished our time. If you want to still hang on and then ask her the questions, we can do that. So over to Savita. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Bhumika. We'll keep it very short. And then, today's meditation is like how to get freedom from our worries. Most of the time, we are tensed and a lot of tension will be there. And this is a technique, this is a very old Tibetan technique, which we will be going to do. I will just tell you the instructions first, and then we will do it together. First of all, like wherever you're sitting, you can sit comfortably. You have to close your eyes, and then we will start humming like a bee. You all have heard about the bees humming. With this humming, what happens is this is especially very good for women, and this increases the immunity levels also. This is done at morning times, but preferably any time of the day you want, you can do it, but see to it that you keep your stomach empty for at least 1.5 hours before you start this meditation. And after that, we sit in silence for some time so that the mind calms down, and we release all our inner toxins through this. There is a very big laborative process for it. It is usually for 1 hour, but now I have condensed it just to give you a taster kind, which it is called as Nada Brahma meditation. Thereby, we will just hum and we will do it. So, shall we start the meditation? I want all of you to sit comfortably wherever you are. Sit comfortably, as comfortable as possible, and very, very softly close your eyes. Close your eyes. There will be a lot of sounds in the surrounding. Do not get disturbed by that sounds. Just take a deep breath. Let your entire attention be on your breath. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, we will hum. Now we will sit silently for a few seconds. As your humming stops, let your focus be on the breath itself. Watch the slow and the fall and rise of your breath. Watch your stomach rising and falling. Relax and calm down. As you're humming, you are exhaling all your toxins to the external world. And with this silent sitting, you will be absorbing all the positive energy from your surrounding environment. You can take the positive energy from the sun, from the trees, if there are any trees around by the fresh air. Let all this positive energy fill your entire being. You can start visualizing yourself like a flute where you have vibrated. The humming has vibrated and you have emptied yourself, emptied your mind, emptied your heart. And now you're filling yourself with the entire positive energy of the universe. The whole energy is giving you positive energy. Accept it with lot of love and express gratitude to this beautiful day, to this beautiful moment, and just send out positive energy to all the people who have shared this energy with you, and let this positive energy stay with you throughout the day. And very, very softly, whenever you feel like, open your eyes and welcome this beautiful moment again. Come back to this word. Slowly start coming back. Very slowly come back. And as you open your eyes, give a smile. Let the smile linger on. And the positive energy, you can share it with everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Savita, for that wonderful session. So anybody has anything to say before we close? So we will be publishing a calendar of events and the meetup dates. So please block the dates and accordingly we will plan everything. Thank you so much for joining and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Bye. Meet you at the yoga session tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Happy Independence
Bye.
Day.
Nice to meet you all.
Thank you.
Yes.